So we went to the barbecue place at Animal Kingdom. We got the half chicken, rack of ribs, coleslaw with fries. Looks delicious. Let's give it a try. Start out with the chicken. Looks pretty moist. It has a really good smoked flavor on it. The skin has a lot of flavor as well. Let's try it with the barbecue sauce. I really like that barbecue sauce. That's really good. Not too sweet, not too vinegary. Got a really good smoked flavor on that chicken. Wow, that's fantastic. Let's take that nice little chunk right off there. Lots of meat on this rib. As you can tell, I'm just ripping off giant pieces of it. Look at the bark. So good. Let's try the fries. I have a feeling they're not cooked enough. They're okay. They're not fantastic. I mean, I have like a bite and a half of coleslaw over here, so I guess we'll give that a try. Coleslaw is very basic, extremely basic. Not much flavor at all to it. That's probably why they didn't give me very much. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of it. Yeah, Flame Tree BBQ was a win. For $15, you get a massive half chicken and 3 bones of ribs. You also get a side plus coleslaw. For $2 extra, you can get cornbread. I decided not to get it because it's already enough food. Plus, I'm going to Epcot in just a little bit, and I'm going to try the last few things that we haven't tried from Festival Holidays. So I'm looking forward to that.